There is something to be said for traveling light. My setup here, using Timecode with the Tentacle Sync, is I have everything that I can fit into this bag, and it is just an awesome setup. So let me just show you here real quick. This is just such a great setup. So right now I'm actually on my GoPro, and that fits in here with the Tentacle Sync up top. I've got an X100V over there, which is very small, compact. It takes amazing video footage, and I actually film in 1080p, not in 4K, so the space requirements are not ridiculous. Let me just head over there and show you what I've got going on real quick. So that is the X100V. I've got a little mirror on the back. And let me show you now the GoPro. So you can see the GoPro here on this camera. Here, let me get it in focus here. So you can see I've got the Tentacle Sync on top. And then attached to me, I am using the Track E lavalier microphone. And then I have everything connected. I have the lavalier microphone that I have connected. I'm actually using a Rode Lavalier 2, which is a fantastic microphone. But the nice thing is I can grab this bag, do everything that I need to do, and be off and running in no time. So it is just a fantastic run and gun type setup in a tiny bag that takes up no space. In fact, I have it in the on my bike bag. You know, let me just show you that real quick. You know, I have it in this little bike bag. It fits in there easily with room to spare. So it is a great setup, and that's why I love Fuji. You know, Fuji and GoPro, you know, those two things are just so easy. Look at the ducks. Lots of beautiful ducks here today. We've got some geese. We got some kayakers. What a spectacular day out here. I actually happen to be in Waltham, Massachusetts, and this is the Charles River. But when you're traveling light like this, you can bring this stuff on a bike ride and still get fantastic audio. You get terrific video. Again, you've got the GoPro here, and you've got the X100V, which I think does a very good job of being able to capture me. I've set the square, you know, the focus point, I think right over here, I hope. Hopefully I'm in focus. If not, I guess we'll deal with that. But yeah, it's a good setup. So just wanted to share that with you and let you know that there are options out there to travel light. You don't need these big behemoth cameras, which I do have, but they're in my home office, not here when I'm traveling. It is so great to be able to use lightweight, small equipment and still get fantastic footage. That's all I wanted to share today. If you do enjoy content like this, make sure that you smash that like button and also click the subscribe button down below to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.